Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we off guys this setting. Friends, you can see guys everything is different in your phone. Friends, your skin color has changed, and how can we off guys this setting in our Samsung phone device. You can see guys everything is changed in my Samsung phone guys. You can see if I use guys this YouTube app, friends, you can see guys it goes. So how can I off this setting in Samsung phone device? So guys, I will on guys this phone setting guys, and guys we will have to search here guys color inversion. So guys, this is color inversion setting we will search here guys. As you can see this color setting color inversion guys, we will tap here. As you can see phone color inversion setting guys, you can off from here. After of guys come back, as you can see guys this everything is fine in our Samsung phone device guys. Screen color is normal default color. So like the guy we can off guys Samsung phone color inversion. So bye guys, thanks for watching.